Hey guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to create one demo app, and in that demo app, we will be seeing that how we can make use of UIActiveViewController to share our content. So for that, we will be creating one share button, and when we click on our share button, it presents activity view controller for us, and in that activity controller various sources and various apps are available through which we can make use of that content, whether to print or whether to share anywhere else. So for an example, like you want to share your message on WhatsApp, then by using this activity view controller you can do that. Let's see how we can create a share button. So to do that, we need to create one project. So to create a new project, you need to go on file, open your Xcode, and then new, and then you need to click on project here. When you click on project, then this template will be available for us, and from that we're going to select single view app, then the next, then we're going to name our project here activity view controller demo, or you can write as a share demo. Then we're going to select a language. We're going to select Swift here, then uncheck use code data, and then next, then to document, and then create here. So this is our project here, and then we're going to open our storyboard, and we're going to add one button here. Okay, we're going to add one button here at the center of the screen, and then name it as share button. So here it is. We will going to stretch it. Okay, now we're going to change the background color for our view controller. So you need to select view here, then we're going to make it as a blue color, or we can select this color. So here it is. Then we also need to change the color for our button. So here it is. Now we're going to add one image view, and here we're going to place our avatar icon here. So we're going to line it as a square. We're going to make it as a square. You can do it by selecting this 240 or 240 240. So here it is. Okay, make it to the center, and now we're going to add text field here, and this text field will going to be used as to take input for the caption. So okay, we're going to change. Okay, the color is black, and then okay, let's set placeholder for this, enter caption. Okay, now we're going to set constraints for this. Select it, then add constraints to it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, or else we can we can set height and width for this. So no, we can set and height for this. I will going to remove this. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now what we will do, we will going to open our assistant editor, and then we're going to create IB action for the share button. Okay, IB action, then select, connect. Okay, then IB outlet for the text field, then txt text caption. Okay, so and the similar way we're going to add an image view here, image. Okay, so here it is. Now we need to add an image in our asset, so we're going to drag this image and drop into it. So the image is available now. We're going to set image here, go here, name it Nick. Okay, so image is set. Now what we'll do, now we need to write in code for our share button. So for that we're going to create one variable for instance for activity controller here. So UIActivityController, going to call its constructor here. So here in activity items we are going to send our content. It may be an array. Suppose if you want to share the only text, then we can pass only a text here. If you want to share images, then we can pass image as an activity item. Or if you want to send both, then we can send it as an array. So we're going to send both here. So I want my image at the top, so self dot image dot image. Okay, so here it is. Now I want to send text, txt text here. So here it is, and then make this as a nil. You don't need that. Now what we need to do, now we need to present this activity controller. So we're going to present it by this present method, then true, and then we don't need this. Okay, completion block. So we are done with the code part. Now we're going to run this code on our simulator. Let's start running this app on simulator. Let's see how activity view controllers looks like. So Bill Gates succeeded. So this is our simulator. Now you can see. So let's see, let's make this, and one more thing, we can make it, okay, we can center aligned text here, and we can also set as an expect fit. So now we're going to rerun this. Okay, okay, so here it is. But now we're going to add text here. So hey buddy, so here it is, and now we're going to click on share button. So here it is. So you can see that there is no app available in the simulator, so we're not able to see that on activity view controller. Now we will going to see this app or run this app on iOS, on our device, on my device, and see that how it looks like. So On my device I have installed this, and if we click on this icon or this app, then you will going to see this screen. And if we click here and write "Hey buddy" and then click on the share button, then it will going to open uh, activity view controller. Then you can see that there are different sources available through which we can share our content. So if you want to share it on your WhatsApp, then you can click on the WhatsApp. And if you want to share as a mail, or if you want to share your content on the via message, you want to save it, or you want to take a print out, or you want to save it anywhere else, then you need to click on the save to files. So there are different activities available you can do with that your content. So now we're going to share via message here. Now in the text area you can see the images and the caption here. So in the similar way you can add whatever you want, or you can share your long text via message. So this is how you can use your activity view controller to share your content. And thanks for watching this video.